What secrets hide beneath those mysterious blue depths? What's this? Whoa! This is incredible!
Hello there, I'm Pearl. Who might you be?
I'm Simba, just got a bit of an upgrade.
Welcome to the ocean, Simba. There's much to explore, but beware of the giant whale.
A giant whale?
Yes, he guards a lost treasure in the depths. It's a perilous journey.
Then let's find that treasure together.
This is it, Simba, the whale's lair.
All right, everyone, we need to stick to the plan. We did it. Let's head back and share this with everyone. I'll miss you all, but I'll be back someday, I promise.
We'll be waiting.
The sea will always be a part of me now.